Hi everyone, welcome to the craft portion of our Witches of Brooklyn author visit. If you're one of the lucky 20 participants to get the craft, I'm going to be unboxing this craft here, and we will be making this crystal ball. Ooh, very nice. Props to Miss Chrissy, who figured out the perfect solution to make sure that the glitter in the crystal ball will stay beautiful and won't clump together. So what you want to do, it's very easy, very quick. You're going to want to have a cup of water next to you for the craft. And in the kit, you get one of these plastic snow globes, which will be the ball for the crystal ball. And you'll get a cup of watercolor paint, that's purple, and a cup of blue, green, and a purple glitter. And we're going to want to add it into our little crystal ball. Okay, so here are the instructions that come with the crystal ball. We don't need those. So I suggest putting in the 2 cups of glitter and the cup of watercolor paint first. I have this little kit here just in case there's any spilling. Okay, so we're gonna start. I'm just gonna dump the glitter all in there. Okay, and if you really want to get every single drop, you can use something to scrape out the rest of the glitter and add it to the mixture. And I'm gonna add the purple watercolor paint. Ooh, I already got some on me. I'm just gonna pour it in. Okay. And then this is the last step. That's it, we're already almost done. You just take your water and you just pour, pour, pour. And you keep pouring and you keep pouring until you hit right at the rim there. Oh wow, perfect. And then you're gonna wanna really make sure that this seal is on so that we don't have any spillage with our crystal ball. You saw me struggling to get it out because this needs to stay on to make sure that there's no spilling. Okay. And it also comes with a cap, just in case. You want to make sure it's super tight and there's no spilling. And you want to tighten that real tight. And if you have a grown-up or an older sibling or just someone around, to make sure that's super tight. And there we go. Now we have 2 crystal balls. I could have added a little bit more water right at the top, but this was the one that Miss Chrissy made, and this is what we're making here for our little author visit. So thank you everyone for signing up. I hope I see you all at the author visit Thursday night at 7 p.m. And please be on the lookout for more programs that we have offered at the library and a lot more author visits coming up. All right, bye everyone.